This video will explain a simple way to do factoring. The first thing that I would look at is this last number right here, 32. I'm going to write out all of the pairs that are used to make 32. So for example, 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 4 times 8, and that would be it. So now that I have all my pairs, I look and see which pairs can either be added or subtracted to make this middle number. So 1 and 32 would make 31 or 33, so it's not going to be those numbers. 2 and 16 would make 14 or 18, so it's not going to be those numbers. 4 and 8, 8 minus 4 is going to be 4, so I know that my two numbers that are going to be in the parentheses are going to be 4 and 8. Now I can set up my parentheses. Since this only has an x squared at the front, that means that there's going to be an x in each parentheses. I don't have to worry about having a coefficient there. As I said, I know my other numbers are going to be 8 and 4. Now what I need to do is look and see if there's going to be addition or subtraction in the parentheses. So when I look at this sign here, if it's a negative or subtraction, that tells me that the signs in these two parentheses are going to be one positive, one negative. And that's because a positive times a negative is going to be negative. Now I also have to look at this sign, and that will tell me which one is positive and which one's negative. If I have 4 as negative and 8 as positive, 8 minus 4 is going to be a positive 4. So I know it's not going to be that. That tells me that 4 needs to be positive and 8 needs to be negative. Negative 8 plus a positive 4 is going to be negative 4, which is what we want. Now I can check my math by foiling. Foiling is going to say doing firsts, so x times x is x squared. That is correct. Outers, x times negative 8 is going to be negative 8x. And then inners, 4 times x is going to be positive 4x. So negative 8x plus 4x is going to be negative 4x, which means I'm correct. And then lasts, 4 times 8 is 32. Positive times a negative is a negative. And that's how I factor.